Now, you may be familiar with this time of year. Wildlife control experts say August and September are the busiest times for bats to get into places they don't belong. Fox 47's Faith Miller explains why and tells us what you should do if you do find a bat in your home.
It's bat season, which means the man who catches bats that have flown indoors is working overtime.
I don't think I've been home before like 9 p.m. for about a month and a half now.
Garrett Evans says August and September are when the young bats born this year start to fly on their own.
And they're unfortunately the ones that get confused and get into houses and get people a little bit worried, a little bit scared.
All bats are more active now because they're gearing up for winter hibernation, a fact Jonathan Trainer found out the hard way.
I kind of just woke up to it. Like, I got up for school and it was something flying around my room. I thought it was a bird.
If you wake up to find a bat in your room, or a bat might have or did have close contact with anyone in your house, you should catch the bat so it can be tested for rabies.
It is really low, it is really rare, but it's a possibility.
It didn't touch me. Like, no, I don't play that. I gotta live to tell the story. I ain't got time for that.
For people not as lucky as Trainer, Evans says only try to catch the bat on your own if you really know what you're doing. Otherwise, just call an animal control specialist. But above all,
the best thing to do is to just kind of stay calm. You know, the calmer you are, the calmer the bat's going to be.
Take it from the people who've been there.
Stay calm as possible. The more you move, the more they tend to come near you.
Try to be calm and either get out the house until you can have someone come in and fix it, or just shut that door wherever the bat is at.
Follow that advice and you'll be batting 1,000. Faith Miller, Fox 47 News.
An animal control expert adds, after a bat has found its way into your house, it's important to find where it got in and fill in the space. Bats are territorial and will often come back.